In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own affiliate marketing and start making money online. Start affiliate marketing in a weekend with a completely 100% free course that I'm going to show you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Not every free course is good. Not every free course is worth it. And I agree with you. But this course, trust me, it is one of the best in the market. And once you watch the course for at 5 minutes, you'll change your mind and you know this is one of the best. Now think about somebody who doesn't know affiliate marketing and doesn't have any experience in affiliate marketing. What's the main problem they are facing? Is information, finding the right information without breaking the bank. So here is the information, here is the free course. It is 100% completely free and it is amazing. As I said before, once you take the course for the first 5 minutes, you know this is so valuable. So I'll leave a link in the description below. That's the first link. And now let's go to my computer and show you what the course looks like and what you can expect with this free course. So this is the course and it's called 90 Minutes Affiliate Challenge, and Brian Brown is the presenter, and he is a good affiliate marketer and made a lot of money with affiliate marketing. He also tried drop shipping and tried blogging, but he found he made a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So the course, they are divided into bite sizes, and the total length of the course is 90 minutes, but of course is divided by sections. Like there is section number 1 to section number 8, and they are called secrets. For example, secret number 1 is an introduction for affiliate marketing or to affiliate marketing, and why affiliate marketing is the best form or best model of online business. Secret number 2 is about finding the money and doing what really works to make money online. And secret number 3, it is for some affiliate marketers why it takes so long to make money, to see significant amount of money with affiliate marketing. Then after that, secret number 4, it is keeping it simple. Affiliate marketing, it doesn't have to be complicated. There is a proven formula that is simple and you have to follow that. And we go to secret number 5. It is trusting the market and following the signals that the market gives you instead of doing what you want or what you are passionate about. Then you have the next lesson or the next secret. It is funnels, building sales funnels, and that's the way to go, and that's how you make money, building funnels. And it shows you how funnels can be easily built. Then you have secret number 7. It is following that what works. This concentrate on content and how you have to produce content in affiliate marketing to make significant amount of money. Then secret number 8 or lesson number 8, it is monetizing your work since day one, and it shows you how you can promote this course if you want to make money from starting day one. So in general, the course is very good. It's one of the best in the market. Brian Brewer is really famous with affiliate marketing, and I was following him since 2017 or end of 2016, and I took all his courses, and he is known to give away a lot of free content, and this is one of his best actually affiliate marketing courses. So this is all what the course is all about, and I leave a link in the description below, the first link, if you want to register. As I said, it is a very good course if you want to start affiliate marketing. As I said before, once you watch the course for 5 minutes, the first 5 minutes, you would know this is really valuable. One thing I want to mention here, if you are taking the course and you are watching it on desktop, once you click on the section, it changes the video, and change again, it changes the video and you can watch it. But if you are watching on mobile, when you click on the course or the section, it doesn't change anything here. You have actually to go down, see the course. So every time you change something on mobile, you have to go down and watch the course. I just want, because I was confused about this, then I wanted to mention it. So here you have it. This is the course. It is free. It is valuable. It is amazing. It is fast and quick. So I leave a link in the description below if you want to take the course, and it is the first link. And until next time, good luck.